Lucky 21 is a company that owns and manages over 30 storefronts across various marketplaces.
We do buying and planning, content, graphic design, advertising, logistics to marketplace. We are a full-stop shop.
I love working at Lucky 21. This company is all about making that customer happy.
We are constantly looking at reviews, looking at customer feedback to understand how we can improve our products.
Everybody is super devoted to their task, making sure that we're representing our product, our brands, and our clients as best as anybody possibly could on the marketplace.
We first started to sell on Walmart Marketplace when they introduced WFS.
Walmart's the biggest retailer in the world. How could we not play in the marketplace game with Walmart? Our first year was great, our second year was really great, and we are on our third year and we are doubling our business and really happy with the results. Walmart has a lot of tools, WFS, Walmart Connect, but the best tool they have is actually their people. They give us reports, they give us insight, they share white space with us, they introduce us to their buyers.
Walmart Marketplace is a must for any serious e-commerce seller. Without them, we would be lost.
You have to be on Walmart Marketplace. Their incentives, their partnership, their collaborative environment is key to your success.
We are Lucky 21 and we are Walmart Marketplace sellers.